Hi. Hi, excuse me. Hi. Could I borrow your vest? Sorry.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
You gonna bring it back?
I'll bring it back.
It's my only vest.
I'll bring it right back.
We just gotta grab hers from the car.
Thank you so much.
It's so
Thank
cold.
you. It's so cold. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What?
Put that in the pocket. Yeah, put it inside, in the inside pocket. Yeah. Imagine jerky. Granola bars and some like protein bars. He's hungry. Nice. Yeah. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Yeah.
Some face wash.
It'll just help keep things. They have like some hand sanitizer because it gets like so dirty on the streets. You can keep clean. Yeah. This like battery pack for his iPhone so he doesn't have to charge as often. Yeah.
So nice.
And then just like some chicken soup.
So nice. Maybe the socks.
And then some clean socks. Some fresh socks to keep him warm.
Doesn't have any shoes on.
I know. Oh, wow. Perfect. New hat to keep him warm. Yeah.
Okay.
And then olive soap.
Yeah. Smart.
I've got like some band-aids.
Oh my gosh.
Deodorant.
Very smart.
Yeah. And then I have dinner. Just like a nice little travel pack.
I should put it in here.
Yeah. Comb and a chapstick.
And chapstick. So smart.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you so much. Here's your jacket back.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, here. You want me to put it on you?
Thank you.
Yeah. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
God bless. Thank you
God bless.
again. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. That was so nice of you. Oh, he's got the toothbrush. He's finding everything. Oh, look, he's got the water.
So nice. He's got socks. Does he get the money?
Oh, he's got the money. Yeah, he's got the money. Oh my gosh.